The next activity is nature journals. The goal of this project is to find inspiration in nature and create a journal from recyclable material that can be used for outdoor observation. The first step is to explore the area. Collect one natural element, like a leaf, a rock, a stick, or a flower. Be mindful of what you take. If you take a leaf that is green, take only one and remove it gently, as these are living materials. Reconvene and share your nature findings. Why did you choose what you chose? The next step is to construct the journals. Follow the template provided to cut out the front and back of your journal. Sandwich a stack of paper between the two pieces of cardboard. Using the template, mark 2 holes along the edge and use a hole puncher to punch the holes. Use the twine and bamboo to bind your journal. Next, adhere your nature finding to the journal or use it as inspiration for a writing, drawing, or sketch. Share what you created. Now you have a journal to take with you into nature.